In this quick video, I will show you how to replace the battery in a Mitsubishi Endeavor key fob. The whole process is quite simple to do. It'll take you under 5 minutes from start to finish. One quick note before we start, there is another version of this device that does not have this trunk button on there, so it just has the 3 buttons. It doesn't matter which one you have, the process is the same and the battery inside is the same as well. The only things you'll need to replace the battery are a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR1620 battery. If you don't have one of these batteries lying around, go ahead and check out the link down in the description there. That first link will take you over to Amazon where you can find these batteries for just a few dollars. Now the first step to opening this thing up is just finding right next to the key this indentation in the plastic. See that opening right there? Take your flathead, insert it in there, and just twist the screwdriver until you feel the device snap open. And the best thing to do is to keep the face of the device facing down and just lift the back off. And then you're going to lift out this component inside. You see, if we were to turn this upside down, these buttons in here will fall out, and just take you a minute to put. This is not a big deal, but it can be a little bit annoying to get them back in their spots. So once you have this opened up, you want to come over here to this component, and we're just going to open it up by coming onto the bottom here, putting our screwdriver in and twisting. Now we have access to the battery, and we can just use the same screwdriver to get under the battery and gently pry it up. It will come out pretty easily, and you can now dispose of your old dead battery. Take your new CR1620, and when you're putting it in, you want the positive side that has the plus sign on it to be facing down. So just snap it into place, positive side down. Now we can put it all back together. So squeeze these two halves back together, pick up the front of the device, and you want to just line up this protrusion here with the hole in the front, and you'll just settle it in place just like that. And then you can just put the back on top of everything and squeeze it back together. And if you want to verify that you did everything correctly, just make sure that that light comes on when you press the buttons, and that means you are good to go. So I hope that video was helpful for you. If it was, feel free to let me know down in the comments, or just let me know by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, you can come back here. We have tons of videos on this channel, tutorials just like this one for the devices for almost every make and model out there. And you can also get that information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.